Hey guys, how's it going? Check this out. So this is a step-down converter, and it takes 24 volts and turns it to 12 volts at 15 amps max. I ordered this on Amazon. I'll put a link in the description. But this is for my Black&Decker batteries. I did a short video of got all these Black&Decker battery videos, but instead of buying battery banks and stuff, I think I got something better I'm going to do. I'm going to plug this in and I'm going to check it out. I got my multimeter, so we'll be able to test it out, see what it does. If it does pretty good, maybe I might get one for my single DeWalt battery. That way it gets some use. And so let's hook this up. This is the smaller batteries I got. And these are my bigger banks. These are my, I think, my 100 watt 5 amp hour, and I think this one's only 30 watt. It doesn't say how many amp hours it is. So let's get this hooked up. Let's see what it does.
A few moments later.
So it did come with one of these connectors, but I think I got a switch around here. I might have one. Let's see. Got some extra wires here. See, we'll do the heat shrink ones. Well, I did tin the wires, so that's good. Now, the reason why I'm putting these connectors on here is because there's bare wires, and should be able to run a fuse. Because I'm using the spade, I can flip a fuse in it if I need to. So I went and got a 12 volt bulb. It's got high beam, low beam on it. So we're gonna test this out. We're gonna see how well this works. But That's why I did that, because it's got the insulated connectors on it. So it'll help. But before we do that, we're going to test it out on the meter. Right. Well, after playing around with it for a bit, I finally dropped down to 12. I think my battery is going dead in my meter, but it's hooked up. But it's 12.8. So let me sit this down. You guys right in front of it like that. So I unplugged it. Plugged it back in. Unplugged it. Now let's hook up this light. Let's see which one's the ground. She works. Man, that light's bright. There we go. I found the ground now. So there's high. There's low. It's pretty bright. So works for that. Let's see what else it works for. Check this out. So this motor here is going to turn it into a windmill generator, but I got to put a voltage regulator on it and build fins for it. But this motor's out of an old treadmill. But voltage, 120 volt DC. So it's a DC motor. But yeah, put a voltage regulator on there, and you got a windmill generator. Pretty much all set up for it. You just got to make your fins, drill your holes, and put it on there. So the question is, it'll run that light bulb and everything, and it'll run that motor. It makes me wonder how long this little battery will last. And take the battery out of it. That way it ain't running. I need to put a switch on it, like a power switch in between the battery and the regulator. But what I noticed, which was really cool, I'll show you, like this right here. It's got holes in it. You can mount it like that. So you can slide your battery in and hold it, and you can mount your regulator right next to it. So, yeah. Look at that again. I think I spent like 25 bucks on this on Amazon. I think it's worth the money. I'm gonna try this on my my kayak for my fish finder, so I don't have to lug this big old thing around. I could probably put this down in the inside with this single battery, and it'd be a lot lighter than that box over there. So tell me what you think. Put it in the comments. And yeah, I think this is gonna be a great idea with these batteries. That's pretty cool. They're worth it. But I can buy the adapter piece. I don't know if it's any cheaper that, you know, goes from DeWalt to Black&Decker. And then be able to slide it in here. I could probably do that too. But yeah, another way to use your drill batteries. So, till then, I'll see you then.